end of day 2. Oddly, I feel a whole lot better about Granular pre-emergent today than I did yesterday. I don't know why, I just calmed down. I'm a mental case when it comes to this. I think a lot of what I do, the decisions I make, is based more so on feeling. I don't know. I'm a head case about turf. I'm a super head case. I try and be as scientific as possible, and but still, it comes down that I have superstitions, I guess, maybe a little bit. So anyway, today, day number 2, you know, we've got 2 pallets of pre-emergent out, and I feel pretty good about it. I feel pretty good about it today. As far as what I saw while out there on the yards today, I was on a lot of existing customers. You know, existing customers' properties are looking the same. A lot of winter damage, some footprints going through yards. Meant to take some pictures of that, but didn't today. And then I started a new property today that's just an absolute train wreck. And I'll have some separate video going on there as I move through that particular project. Going to use a germination blanket on one area of that, so that's going to be a separate video. But all in all, day number 2 is down. I feel good about it. We got super cold temperatures tomorrow morning, so probably about 10 o'clock we'll be above freezing, and it's time to get going again. So the end of day 2, I'll tell you what, I'm going to run through these 6 pallets of Granular pre-emergent. I'll see then how I feel about going liquid round 2. I don't know. We'll play it by ear. We'll play it by ear. Real quick, before I end my day, let me show you something. I have been teasing this. I've got a bag of Screaming Green. This is a bag of Howard's 2448. They call it the Ninja Blend here in Knoxville. I got a bag of Anuvia. I got a bag of Milorganite. And I've got a bag of my top secret fertilizer that we'll be putting into production. Right now we're looking at a name called Charged. And in case you're wondering, all of those are bags of fertilizer. I got more bags there. And what we're going to be doing is a little bit of a trial. We've got 15 of these buckets here that we're going to be growing some tall fescue in, and we're going to be comparing all these different fertilizers, you know, just a straight synthetic, just a Milorganite, Anuvia, Screaming Green, and our hybridized fertilizer here. So that's all in the works. It's coming on. I'll probably do a video on the test setup with that, because it's going to be pretty intense as far as the setup is concerned. As you can see, I've got my 5-gallon buckets there lined up. Going to get them filled up with clean topsoil and planning to get some fescue up and established. Then we get to play with fertilizers. In that video yesterday, there was a short little clip of a friend of mine, John, who's helping me with this project, who's been helping me with this fertilizer project. In fact, this has really been his baby for the last 2 years, is figuring out how to prill this biochar in such a way to make it more available in the soil. We were using this gram scale that calculated grams to 4 digits, 4 decimal places past 0. This is like a $1,500 scale we're using to weigh fertilizer. So I don't know, we felt kind of silly doing it, but it was the scale we had. So talk about accurate and precise measurements. We got them. We are accurately measuring our fertilizer rates that are going into these test plots. So all right, y'all, day number 2 is in the works. The sun is setting. The moon is rising. Somewhere behind the treehouse, there's the moon. I'm glad it's done. I'm ready for tomorrow. I hope y'all are too. Have a good one. Take it easy.